invite past chairman of GJC, Sayam Mehra, to understand where is the white metal headed. Here's an excerpt of that conversation.
Actually, whatever reports and analysis are saying, they're actually very correct. The supply is not here to match the demand. There's a huge deficit in terms of supply and demand. Of course, leading from 4 to 5 factors. It can be the industrial consumption in terms of clean sectors that like expect a lot of silver. That's number one. Number two could be ETFs. So consumption, retailers buying ETFs. That is also taking a lot of consumption from silver. Then there is festive season, so retail consumption that's increased as year on year. There's always a growth in it. And there's a major of like many factors that are supporting the demand a lot, and supply is not here to match. So 100% because of that, there's a huge amount and there's a huge deficit in the market, and hence there's a huge difference in the current price and the price that the forward price.
Yeah,
so
we are seeing physical prices is trading hovering around 1,75,000. On MCX is hovering around 1,60,000. So almost 15 to 20,000 premium we are seeing in physical market. What could be the reason behind this?
The only reason that we see and that we predict is the supply not matching demand. So that is the only like problem to this.
Do you think still there is lots of room to go up prices from here on? Because already we have seen the 80% rise this year, YTD. And then for the next year also you are seeing the same kind of rally in silver prices?
We do expect a rise in silver prices, of course, but probably not at this pace. That's what our prediction is. Of course, like after this entire festive season, the supply might ease out a bit. Like the supply demand deficit might ease out a bit. So that might give us a little relief. But of course, like there is going to be a huge growth in this asset, but not at this pace is what our prediction lies.
Okay. My last question would be related to the gold prices. What kind of sales growth you are expecting in Dhanteras and Diwali?
So Dhanteras and Diwali, compared to the last year, of course, the prices have been like almost 2x or probably crossed 2x. So the absolute value is 100% going to increase, but the volume in terms of the grammage is going to not match up to it. So it's basically the disposable income that per household has. So that's not increased as per the gold rates. People are inclined towards gold a little more, of course. So what we expect is around a 150 to 160% growth from the last Dhanteras in terms of the absolute value. Okay, but in terms of grammage value, it might lower a bit.